2 steps onto the grass at third. He goes that way. It's lifted to left. Soriano going back toward the wall. He won't make the play, and it bounces quite a ways away. Here comes Young. Williams has a decision. Come on down, he says. The relay in, standing up, a triple the other way for Gerardo Parra. Matt Williams had a decision to make.
Yes, he did, and he was up the line where the runner could see him, and he was waving all the way because Soriano couldn't pick it up quickly. And I tell you, there it was. That base on balls came home to haunt. Nobody out, man on third. You just got to pick up this tying run, and you got the guy up there that you want.
They rule it a double, goes to third on the throw, not a triple, but an RBI. Boy, Matt had to make a decision because Parra had made the decision for him. He was right.